Toyman Rick here, and I'm going to keep a promise. I'm going to make a 9 texture slime by mixing together the 9 texture pack of different 2.5 ounce slimes together. You wanna see what it looks like? Follow along. So we have banana cream pie. That's a foam, so we'll put that in. Next, we've got the mint chip. Put that in. Yeah, we'll put this up front so you can see it. Then we have strawberry peach. This is a little wet, but we're gonna let him drain in there. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Come on. In fact, we'll just let that drain a little bit. Come on. That's gonna be messy, maybe. Let's go ahead and get the rest of that out as best as we can. There we go. That's the strawberry peach. Then we got sour strawberry. Okay, let's put that in there. Getting halfway through with blueberry dreams. I like that. There's a blueberry in here too. Boom. Then we've got, oh yeah, frostbite. It's like a bingsu. Put that in there. There you go. 3 more. What do we got? We got ice cream birthday cake. Ice cream slime. Put that in there. 2 more. This is called cotton candy frost. And the last one before we mix it up. Hey, if you got friends, tell them to get online. You got to see the mixing. Got to see the mixing, and this is aloe vera. See if we can get most of that out. There you go. Okay, folks. Here we go. That is 9 different textures, and I'm going to try to figure out what kind of a scent / texture we're going to create, and then we'll name it, okay? Let's go ahead and dig in. Mix that around. You hear it? You see it? Now, for some of you that don't like all those mixture colors, you're not going to like this. But I'll tell you what, it has a really different scent, and it's not bad. Not bad. Okay. We gotta get that out of here. Let's actually do a close-up here. See what we can do with the slime. A lot of foam pellets, the bingsu, you see the fluff and the memory dough. It does have that nice crisp feel to it. I wish you could smell it. It's fruity. Definitely is more fruity than it is some of the other flavors. But what should we call it? What should we call this slime? This would be one that you would just want to fiddle with and then put back in and maybe take out once in a while. This isn't something you want to do every time. Got the cobwebs. Let's see if we can do one more big stretch before put it back in there. See, it's starting to firm up a little bit, which I like. And it is going to go to that light lavender, it appears, as the others mix in. I could keep rolling this. You see how it's getting into a nice texture. And from where we started to this, look at that. And now it actually gets pretty pliable and nice and flexible. That this has turned out rather nicely. There's the blueberry. Yeah, I'm actually enjoying this now that I got to generate it together. Yeah, so there you have it. What should we call it? Toyman Rick in the comments. Follow for all things toys. ASMR to latest and greatest toys to slime to fidgets. How about Lego and anything else in the toy industry, from Barbie to Hot Wheels to Play-Doh to anything else. So there we have it, folks. There we have it. And I think we'll call it Slines. 9 combined equals Slines. Slime plus 9, Slines. So there you have it. That's what it's going to look like. A 9 texture slime ready to go. But I think most people will want them separated. But Toyman wanted to do it. Toyman got it. And Toyman now has a slime. You all take care now.